Welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. I am Coach Julia, and today is a video I know a lot of you have been looking forward to. We have the results from the Coach Julia Spiral Challenge. Now, on June 5th, on my birthday, I announced a spiral challenge to see if you could improve your spiral and to see who could hold the spiral the longest. Well, you guys have been working on those spirals and you've been posting your results to Instagram, and so today I am going to be announcing the winners. And stay tuned till the very end of this video because I have some really fun announcements I think you're going to like that you don't want to miss out on. Okay, so for those winners, we had two categories. The winner of the longest held spiral is David Bigelow 94 with his amazing 23-second spiral. Amazing job, great job, David. You really improved. You started out with like 13 seconds, so your improvement was really, really good over the month, and you ended it with that really nice long spiral. Our second winner is Gem of Ice. Gem of Ice started with a spiral that was only 3 seconds long and ended with a 13-second spiral, and that is a significant improvement. Definitely more than doubled her time. So Gem of Ice has won the award for Most Improved Spiral over the course of June. Now I have one more award I'm going to give out. It wasn't part of my initial plan, but I was so impressed with this spiral, I have to give a shout out to Rafaela Loca, who did their spiral backwards. I was so impressed. It wasn't an official category, but I had to give an award for the spiral that really dropped my jaw. Great job, Rafaela. Now I am going to be reaching out to each of you on Instagram to connect with you to get you some awards, some prizes. Now what are those prizes? You guys, I'm so excited about this. We finally have merch. I am so excited to finally have merch. This is a project I've been working on for quite some time, and I'm really excited with how it turned out. My first design is my happy skating design. Inspired by that greeting I give you all at the very end of every single video, happy skating. I really, really hope that your next skating session is a good one. And so for those of you who want to rock that happy skating vibe, we've got a design just for you. This next design is something I think a lot of us can relate to. We've all had those moments where we're setting up for one thing and it doesn't quite work out the way we're planning. Like when you start out for a Lutz with that nice clean outside edge, and then right before you take off you switch to that inside, it gets downgraded to a flip. We call that a Flux. That's a Flux! Not only do I have 3 different designs for you guys, but you can get it on all kinds of different merch. You can get it on t-shirts, sweatshirts, tank tops, baseball caps, water bottles, stickers, 2 different sizes of pins. Make sure you check out all the different designs on the site. Now, where can you get this amazing merch, you ask? Well, you head to the home page of my YouTube channel. And across the top, there's a bunch of items. You can pick your playlist, your videos, membership, and there's a merch button. So click on that merch button. It'll take you to my shop and you can pick out your favorite design. much for watching. I can't wait to see all of you in your fun merch. Happy skating! We'll see you next time.